Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to merge PDF in Adobe Scan. First, start by opening your Adobe Scan on your phone. Click on the file that you want to merge. Click on the More option and choose Combine Files. Click Add Files and click on Other File, which you want to merge in this file. Click on Next. And as you can see, this feature is only for premium users, and I have not purchased the subscription as a workaround. Open the Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer and sign in with the same Adobe account. Upload your PDF and use the Combine File tools there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.